Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Trick. Somebody sent me this file and they're wanting to make this a 5 millimeter line, but they want the end caps to be round. And so if they go to F12 and go round end caps, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So my suggestion is to take this and go back to a hairline and grab this node. Well, I have to ungroup everything. Click on it, object, group, and ungroup. And then take this line and do everything separately. So we're going to bring in an indexing line so we'll get to the bottom of this. And I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and delete that other line. And I'm actually going to I need that angle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a new line. And what I should do is take this part of it and make it that 5 millimeters so we can see and we can close that off in just a second. Then take that line and make it go up, hit F12 on your keyboard, and hopefully that other part will hide it, and then pick rounded corners and see it doesn't work. But it works. I mean, I could draw another line. I'm kind of lost. Maybe somebody will chime in. And then hit F12 and give it rounded corners, and it rounds the corners off. So I'm going to make it black. So you could do it this way, and then just put that right there. The top corner will be hidden. And then just, let me delete that. Take another 2-point line and go make sure you're at that node and go to there, holding down the control button so it'll be perpendicular. Hit F12 on your keyboard, and it doesn't matter right now that it's red. I'm going to make it black and make it 5 millimeters and make it, I didn't make it black yet. I can always make it black. And then make it black by right clicking. And there you have 2 rounded corners. Now I'm a little bit low on that, but my suggestion would be to take and go like 0.001 and take that line and just kind of move it up till it gets to that indexing line. And this one's a little bit short. We could probably go down a little bit and over as long as that other one connects. And you could take this now and turn it into an object. And then we could left click, right click, see how that all looks jumbled up. But we could weld it and then fill that in with black. And you've got that letter done. Now, I don't think he would want the B done. And the only thing I see wrong with this, that I think this actually does work, except for the lines are so close that you can't see the rounded ends. So I'm just going to take that away. Now I'm going to select this and hit F12, go 5 millimeters and rounded end caps. And see, you just couldn't see it before, so maybe that was the problem. The B, I can't see him needing rounded corners, so just hit F12, make it 5 millimeters. And unless he wants these other corners rounded, that's the only way I know how to do it. I'm a little confused why that won't work. Now, if he just has to do one word, what I just did will be pretty easy, but if he needs to do more, I don't really know. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.